Hey guys, Tony Cola here, Goldwell national artist from the United States. I'm here with my lovely model Katie. We're going to be creating some nice modern movement with some texture throughout her hair with some dry cutting techniques to create a nice soft silhouette and retain density at the bottom. I hope you enjoy. So with our sectioning pattern, we're going to have everything split down the center, working all the way back to about the crown. From about the crown, we're going to have a U-shaped section that's going to go around from behind the ears. This is going to help me to work cleanly, neatly, so I can work on her right side, her left side to create balance, and then I can work through so I can retain fullness and density towards the bottom with creating internal strength and movement. Once your pivoting sections are completed on both sides, you'll then have a guide that you've created. This will be your guide going forward. As we start to work our shape, we're going to start to elevate our length a little bit higher so we can keep it nice and strong. We're going to work a slightly rounded line through the interior, just so slightly. If you're worried about creating too much removal of density at the bottom, you can also alter this a little bit to more of a triangular shape so you can keep it even stronger. But keep in mind, by elevating this angle right here, you'll lessen the impact of the movement through the interior. Prior to Katie's cut, we prepped her with a little bit of smooth control. We apply this, is going to give 392 degrees Fahrenheit of protection. Also slightly speed up the blow dry time just a little bit. It's going to help us to get a nice glassy finish. We wrap dried, tension dried with our Veris 7-row brush. And then we went through with our larger Veris boar bristle brush just to create a little bit of smooth finish without having to flat iron it. We're going to use a little bit of dry boost, all right, just to expand the shape. Help to put in some texture to make her hair feel a little bit more alive. After this has been applied in a kind of pulsing fashion, we'll break down the shape. As you can see, this combination of smooth control and dry boost is able to give us that pliability, expansion, without any stickiness or tackiness, but giving us the grip we desire to create a little bit of long-lasting style for her to go and enjoy her day. You might want to use some unlimiter or another styling product just to kind of separate and create definition between the shape. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.